Let's code and chase that dream. Python World.